Okay, so today you'll be learning how to design a logo for a bag brand using the Canva app. So let's quickly come to our Canva, click on Canva and okay, so come over to this plus icon, come over to this part so that you put in your size. So we are going to be using 500 by 500 and ensure that it's in pixels, px, then click on create new design. Okay, so come over to where you have search template and put in bag logo. Okay, so we have so many beautiful logos that we can make use of. So just keep scrolling down till you get something that you're okay with. So I think I'm going to make use of this. I like it. So just click on it. Okay, so this is it. Click on any of this. Now this will show you that you can just use simple color, a dark background and a light write-up, which is okay so it does not contrast. Okay, if you notice we have a light background, dark write-up. The color shade of this the bag icon is dark, the write-up is in a darker kind of color, and same with the slogan. So you can just pick whichever you want. So I'm going to pick this one. This is the logo that I'm going to edit. I can decide to change this icon, this bag icon. Just come over to where you have, click on this empty background and go to where you have elements. Over here you can come over and type bags. Either pick from this ones at graphics. So click on see all and you will see so many ones that you can use. So many. You can pick this, you can pick this. So you keep scrolling till you're okay with the one, till you get one. So assuming you sell tote bags, you can pick this, or any icon that you are okay with. Okay, but I'm okay with this one, so I would write my brand name. So I'll click on this, click on edit and write my brand name. So Joyce bags. Now after writing Joyce bags, I would like to write my slogan here. Click on this, click on edit and write where quality is found. Okay, so if you notice it came down, which it's not supposed to. So over here I can change the font of my write-up. So click on the first one, go to where you have fonts, click on this arrow to see more fonts. So here are fonts you could pick from. So this one ticked this way is to tell that the font that is being written here is the Glacial Indifference. So you can keep scrolling till you get a font that you are okay with. So I think I'm okay with this with the Glacial Indifference. So just click on this and I would like to make it bold. I would like to pick the bolder one. So click on bold and it's bold. So I'll come over to this and it's still the same font, but I'm going to reduce the size. So I'll come over to where I have font size, and reduce the size of this font. So I'm okay with this and come over to, still click on the font itself, come over, scroll to this part so you get format. So click on format. I'm going to remove it from cap locks. Okay, then make it bold here. Okay, so I'm going to bring it down a bit. I'm using my fingers to drag this down. My brand color is blue and white. I want my background to be white and the logo and everything should just be white and blue. I'll just click on one of these tests. Now I will go to where I have notch and bring this down a bit. I think it's so up, so I'm just going to bring it down a bit. I think this is okay. Come over to where I have this image and reduce the size. I need it smaller than it is. I love it this way. Let me reduce the size a little bit more. So I'm zooming in and think this is okay. This is okay for me, so simple and clean. So I'm going to pick the first, go to where I have color. I'll pick the first, go to where I have, scroll to where I have color. Okay, look at color here. Click on the color and give it a blue color. So I'm going to click on this arrow to see more colors. So assuming I don't like this blue here, I can just come over to this plus icon and put in the shade of blue I like, and I think I like this. So I'm going to go with this one. So click on this and give it the blue color. And I also want this bag to be the same blue. So I'm going to zoom and pick this bag and go to where I have color. Click on the color and give it the blue color. Look at the blue color here. So since I'm okay with this, so that I will reduce the space attached to this. So assuming I made a mistake by moving this to the wrong part, I can come over here to undo. Okay, so let me reduce this. I'm dragging from this part here to move it closer. So I'm going to zoom this a little bit more. Then I'm going to drag. Done dragging. So I'll click on these three dots again. Click on select multiple, group them again. And click on group. So I've grouped them. You see that excess space is no longer there, so I can easily increase and centralize easily. So this is okay. I'm okay with this. So the next thing I would like to do is to use my two fingers to pinch my screen. Click on this plus icon to add. So I click on the plus icon here, and this is the new page. So I'm double clicking on the new page. Click on the background itself. Click here and go to where you have replace. Over to where you have photos. Over to this search bar and type in say bag background. Okay, so these are some bags background that you could make use of. So let's try to pick one. So you can either pick this and put your logo on it, or pick this and put your logo on it, or pick this. Let me type in handbags. Handbags. Okay, so I like this. I like this and I like this. So let me pick this one. I can also pick this too. So let me pick this. And this is it. Scroll down to where I have transparency. Here is transparency. Click on it and reduce it. So we can leave it at either 10. I think 10 is okay. Scroll to the first part. Click on it. Click on these three dots. Click on copy. This is where we have copy. Then swipe to the first part. Click on it. Click on the three dots and click on paste. So this is it. I think this is okay. So I can take this and click on the plus icon, double click on it again, click on replace, go to where I have photos and either pick this. So this, I think I'm okay with this, and click on it, click on the three dots and paste again. So I can reduce the size of my logo and move it here. Come over to this part where I have rotate to rotate it a little bit more. Fit with the background of this. So I think this is okay. Look at it. It looks like this is my brand bag. So I can move it up a bit. And I think this is okay. So now it's time to save. Click on this arrow. Once you click on it, click on where you have download. Remember the first page we designed, the first page does not have any background. We didn't put any background. So if I want to make that, if I want to download that without a background, I would come over to where I have size, increase it. Okay, this is only possible if you are using the Canva Pro. You can increase the size if you are using Canva Pro, and allow this to be on PNG. Ensure it is in PNG. Come over to where you have all page, click on it and pick only page one, and click on done. Then come over to where you have transparent background, click on it, then come over to where you have download and download. So that first page which we designed without a background will come out transparent, so only our logo without a background. You can use it to do anything, design your flyer, design anything you want to design. So once we are done, remember that this page 2 and page 3 is picture format. So we just click on this arrow, click on that, click on where you have download, increase this so that the quality of this image will be high. Then come over to where you have select all page and pick 2 and 3, click on done and click on download. So this is how you design your logo for a bag brand easily using the Canva app. So I hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, I'll be in the comment section to answer you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.